I'm going to start with the safety items. I am down to 2 now. I used to have like the door lock. I'll insert it so you know what I'm talking about. But I used to have that, and I found that in like a previous vacation, it doesn't work with every lock. So I upgraded to the 2 things that I have now. So I have this door stopper alarm. So basically it takes a battery. It has this like multiple sensitivity levels on one side. And when a door is pushed onto this yellow plate, it emits a loud noise. I took the battery out because I didn't want to have an accident and it ends up, you know, on audio because it's very, very loud. But I use this one. I bought a pack of 4 just in case, because the last vacation I bought it for was to Zanzibar, and a friend and I, we were like staying in separate rooms. So I brought enough so that she can have one for her door and I can have one for my door, because it was like a 4 person villa. So I had extras for everybody for safety. So I have this. I also have this. This is also a door stopper.